And smiles, everyone, and welcome. It's Colleen here. I have a Temu haul for you today, and I'm quite excited about it. I've got a few things that I've been waiting to get, and it's a variety household things and craft things. I'll let you know right here that Temu is a worldwide marketplace. So don't give out prices because every country is going to have slightly different prices. But I will say it is an extremely competitive marketplace. So we're going to just jump right in. So one of the first things I got was this stick blender, which I am excited to have found because I've been looking for one. And yeah, this was a decent price. Nice large one. And I'd wanted, you can get them and they're like plastic here and then the metal at the bottom also, but I wanted one that was all metal here. If I can get this plastic off. Oh, it's wrapped around the blade here. There, we got it. Okay, get that out of the way. So yeah, it's nice and heavy, and it has, I believe, 3 speeds, an off and on button, and then this just comes off, I believe. Yeah, just like that, and then you can put it, I believe it's dishwasher safe, or you just wash it by hand, whichever. But yeah, I have wanted one for a while. And so I'm glad to get my hands on this one because, again, it was quite a reasonable price. And then it just, I think it just twists back. Yeah, just twists back on. Probably, there we go. Got it now. I was twisting it the wrong way. So anyways, that will be going into my kitchen. And I'm quite excited to get it. I think that's all that it came with. I'm going to just, oh, it just has the instruction. Yeah, the instruction manual inside there. Because some of them will come with some accessories, but this one didn't, and that's fine. I didn't really need any of the accessories. So, that's the first thing I got, which again, I'm quite excited about. Okay, and then I got these here, and they're sandals. And they were very popular because they kept selling out. But I finally got a pair, and I'm excited for this. Spring and summer is going to be here, hopefully, soon. I keep hoping it's going to start soon. I think next week it's going to warm up quite a bit. Anyways, these are the shoes. These are the sandals. Love them. They're nice and soft. So they're not that hard. And yeah, and I just really like them. Love the color. They come in all kinds of, I think, blue, red, yellow, white. But I really like this green. So that's why I got the green. But anyway, I got those. And then also to do with clothing, shoes type thing, I got this top, and I'm excited about it. So it is actually just a plain black top, right, with the V-neck, which I always like. But on the back, we have bows going down the back. Isn't that cute? And then it has a V on the back at the bottom. Oh, I love it. It's going to be so nice to wear this summer and spring. I just love these little bows going down the back. I would have never thought of that. And yeah, I think it'll be quite a nice little statement. So, and black, of course, goes with anything and everything in my wardrobe anyway. Okay, so that's it for those things. I think the rest is craft related. Yeah. So I got some fabrics. So the first one I got was this one. And I just really liked it. It's with the stripe look to it. Right? I thought it was gorgeous. Again, you could do for your journal covers. But this one in particular, I got, I think it might be half a yard. But anyways, I thought it'd make a great backing for a table runner or such. I thought it would be nice material for something like that. But I'm not sure yet. I just loved it, and I love how it fades out. It has an antique look to it, so I like it a lot. Okay, and then I got a couple more pieces, and we'll just put this one aside. And then I believe I got this. I ordered this twice. I had gotten this in another haul, but I sure don't mind because I absolutely love it. It's a fat quarter, and look at that. All these birds. Oh, there's just so many projects I can use this on. I just thought it was gorgeous. Cut out the birds if you want, you know, a journal cover. Oh, it would even make a beautiful bag, right? Makeup bag, any of those things. But I was thinking more of my journaling, my vintage journals when I got this. Okay, and then the last one I got it's a denim looking. I thought it was going to be denim fabric, but it's not. But it has the denim look to it. It's a cotton. And yeah, I just really liked it. And it will go with so many different fabrics. It'll be great for fabric flips and such, or backing for a cross stitch project that I make into a pillow or something. I think this will make beautiful fabric for that. So, and I believe this one was, well, no, I think it is a bit bigger. It's actually a bit bigger than a fat quarter. I don't think it's quite half a yard, but it is definitely bigger than a fat quarter. So those are the fabrics I got. And then, oh, I missed this. Is for me, this bracelet. I just thought it was really, really nice. And I loved it. So I got it. Isn't that pretty? So that's going to be great for summer for sure in the white. But yeah, again, very, very good price. And yeah, it's fake leather this here. But that's all right, because I just really like it. And it'll go with many, many outfits, being that it's white. Okay. So I spoiled myself a little bit getting bracelets and a top and shoes this time. Okay, and then I got some t-shirt yarn. I've never used t-shirt yarn, but I thought it was interesting, and it's stretchy, and I think it's going to be a lot of fun. And so I got it in the brown, and it's looking really, really ugly, not ugly, yellow on the video, but it's actually more of a mustard color. So I don't know if you recall, but in a previous haul, I had gotten these wooden bases here for baskets and such. So I'm going to use this and make some baskets, I believe. I just got the two because I wasn't sure how much I was going to like it, but I'm liking it. So I'm going to probably end up ordering some more, and perhaps in different colors. But I really liked the chocolate brown and the mustard together. I think that'll make some beautiful baskets. So yeah, so I'm going to just start with these. I'll just make this little one to start with and see what it's like. And I'll try and remember to show you in another video how these turned out, because I think they're going to make great baskets to use all over the house. You could use them in your bathroom, use them in your craft room, your bedroom. Okay, and then I got these. thought I'd give them a try. I wasn't sure at the size of them, but they're not bad. And what they are is like coloring for resin, right? Colors to add to your resin. But in the end, they're showing it like you can use it. I wish that wasn't over that so I could tell you exactly what it was called, which is too bad to say on them. Nope, they've got stickers all over it. So anyways, it obviously looks like it must be, it's pigment colors. And I'm not sure because they've got that all on it. But it looks like they put it on a cake, so it should be food safe. But anyways, it had all these colors, and you can add this to your modeling paste, texture paste, all kinds of things you could add this to. Not just resin, right? So I thought it was a nice variety of colors. They have green, orange, white, red, blue, purple, yellow, black, pink, and teal. And they were very reasonable, and they're quite concentrated, so you shouldn't have to use much color at all. But I was thinking of modeling paste and such for mixed media work when I ordered this. So I'm excited to give them a try. And then, of course, you can mix the colors and make your own colors as well. I haven't worked much really with resin, but I do have some molds and stuff, so I might try it. But I've got a lot of things on the go right now, but someday I'm going to do the resin. Okay, and then the last thing I got, also for mixed media, these are markers, as in daughters. What do they call them? Not giving me the proper name on here. But basically, you dip your paints into them and you make dots and such. So like this one, oh, it's going to be hard to see. This one is hearts. It's got hearts all around it. I wonder if they stick together. No. And like this one is a leaf. I'm sorry they're so hard to see. And then this one side, it's a fancy kind of leaf. So you would dip these into your paint, and this one is going to make a flower. And then you put your markings, dip it into paint. Then they're exactly the same size, your lines. So I've seen people that do, they use it on rocks for rock painting. But you could use these all kinds of ways, right? Another leaf, another flower, and then these two, another leaf, and that's the heart one. So, oh, there, yeah, we got 1, 2, 3 leaves, two flowers, and the heart flower too. And then this one is a really feathered out, I'd say a ferny kind of marking. But anyways, I thought these would be really interesting to use in mixed media projects of all kinds, making ephemera, making canvas work, any of those things. I thought these would be really cool to use. And when you want to get those perfect dots, you can use these too. So that is everything I got this time, guys. And as always, I will link everything that I can down in the description box. So if you're interested in any of these things, you can go and have a look for yourself. And I want you all to have crafty, crafty day. Don't forget to like and subscribe. It helps the community to grow. And I will see you all later. Bye for now.